Welcome to Havana, Cuba, a city frozen in time, bursting with color and culture, ready to dive into this vibrant Caribbean gem. Start your journey cruising through the streets of Old Havana in a classic car. Admire the colorful colonial architecture that gives the city its unique charm. Next, visit Plaza de la Revolucion, home to historic landmarks and the famous Che Guevara mural, a symbol of Cuban history and revolution. Stroll along the Malecón at sunset, where the city meets the sea. It's the perfect place to take in the vibrant energy of Havana's locals and the crashing waves. Don't miss a chance to experience Havana's culture up close, from hand-rolled cigars to spontaneous salsa dancing in the streets. And of course, no trip to Havana is complete without tasting Cuban cuisine. Try the delicious ropa vieja, shredded beef, served with rice and beans. 1 minute in Havana is an unforgettable journey through history, music, and vibrant street life. Like and subscribe for more epic adventures with Nomadic Lens.